When I saw there was a trend for huggy hoop earrings and these 14 karat gold ones came across my screen, I knew I had to try them. The description says there are 3 sets, but when you receive them, there is a free gift included. This was a pleasant surprise. I received the 3 huggy hoop earrings in 14 karat gold, and then I am excited to try out the pearl studs as well. I should also mention these were packaged so well. I loved that they also came in this adorable carrying case. And I think it's nice too, just to be able to have these little pouches for travel or something like that, easy to throw in the bag and keep them separate, and they'll never get damaged. I'm going to start with the multicolored ones. So these are adorable hoops with multicolored gems. You can see these have a nice closure so that they can get really close to the ear. And I think this is going to be a nice fit. It's definitely secure, so I like the latch on this. 2 hands. Ooh, yes, I can already tell these will get lots of compliments. Can you tell they would really be versatile for so many people and so many outfits? I love the look. Let's try both. Okay, there is the other one. Fun. You can tell I'm feeling this look. Using both hands to pull it off, I can tell again that that clasp is really strong. And then if you just kind of listen, you can hear the click. Switching to the cubic zirconia pair, I can tell that these will be great to wear to a lot of different events and have great wear performance. That's something that I'll check out next, but could you imagine them stacked together? And then even just the solid pair combined with those. We also have this evil eye pair to try too. Now these are hypoallergenic and they're definitely dainty. I love just the simplicity of them. The interesting thing is going to be switching over to the evil eye pair and seeing how that looks. So just by handling these, I can tell that they are high quality. You can wear them alone or stack them. Ooh, okay, they are fun. All right, well, for small dainty earrings, these sure are lightweight and really high quality. I'm just gonna be over here checking them out, but I'm also going to put them to the test. So it's time for testing out the wear. I think I'm actually gonna sleep in these tonight to see how they do. But wait, I couldn't forget the pearls. All girls love pearls. While the other earrings all have a comfortable fit, we also have these lightweight pearls, and ooh, these are nice. Won't have to worry about any color fading with the high quality materials. I'm just going to get the backings on, and on the pearl ones, they have rubber backings. So I'm going to get that on there, nice and secure. Ooh, also a nice gift for friends and family. There's really something about earrings that just kind of bring joy, right? These pearls make me feel regal. I'm happy to report my earrings made it through the night. Perfectly fine, perfectly comfy. Since these earrings are 14 karat yellow gold plated, the jewelry is nice quality, and the cubic zirconia pair is made with the highest quality stones for a clear, not cloudy presentation. As for the wearing performance, I put these through some tests. After sleeping in them for many days, putting on my makeup, blow drying my hair, and more, there was no color fade or any signs of wear. These hoops are very elegant and classic, yet I think stacking them would offer a modern look. While I wear one pair alone, I was eager to see my friend try them stacked. Check her out! Gotta say, the rainbow-colored zircon hoop earrings add such a fun touch. For high-quality fashion earrings at a very affordable price, I'll definitely keep this hypoallergenic product bundle in mind as a go-to gift for my stylish gal pals.